yeah, Minnesota here with my good buddy Oregon. How you doing today, Oregon? I'm doing okay. Hey, what's this thing? Get off of me. There's a bird up on top of me. What the heck just happened? Yeah, you remember those birds coming out? Oh, that one left. That's finally, that's good. Oh, yeah, I can't believe it. Hey, it's my neighbor to the east. It's Wisconsin. How you doing today, Wisconsin? I'm doing okay. Oh, that's good. Hey, look. It's another friend of ours, New Mexico.
See, how you doing?
Oh, yeah, we're doing okay.
See, how you doing, Wisconsin? I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
Illinois.
Hey, look, it's our buddy Illinois.
Ow! Somebody get this thing off of me! Oh, this hurts! Oh, ow, 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 ow.
Oh, yeah, I know. I got a bird on me.
I got a bird in me! He's not on me! No!
Oh, yeah, that doesn't feel good, does it?
No, it doesn't feel good at all. I think I'm okay now. Well, I thought this one was gonna come and get me. Hey, get away! Leave me alone! Go away! Don't come back here! Ow! 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 Get this bird off of me, please. He's in my nose. Ah! Oh! Why does this happen to me?
I don't know. Maybe you should just drop and, it might not happen no more.
You think so?
Oh, yeah, let's try it. Let's let go.
Okay, here I go. Ah!
I meant you could drop and stay if you wanted to. Hey, look, it's a good bite. Georgia, gee, Georgia. How you doing, Wisconsin?
I'm doing okay.
All right, look at this little guy.
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island, how you doing there, Rhodey? I'm doing okay. Oh, yeah, we got all our friends coming. Our friend in South Carolina. Hi, y'all. How you doing, Georgia?
I'm doing okay.
Why are you singing?
Why are you singing?
'Cause I'm Georgia.
2 days is at my raceway today, Kentucky.
Hey, me, Kentucky, got a big day today. We got a night race. It's NASCAR, Monster Energy.
Is there gonna be Monster Energy today, Kentucky?
Yeah, we got Monster Energy.
Did you look on
Race tonight.
Did you look on the TV?
Yes, I did.
And it said it was today?
Yes.
Montana.
Oh, hey, look at me. Check me out. I'm taking Georgia with me.
Oh, hey, here's some fun facts for NASCAR there for you, Jace. Do you know who won the first race at Kentucky in 2011?
I don't know, but
I'll give you a hint. It's your favorite driver.
it's Kyle Busch.
Oh, yeah, Kyle Busch won it. Isn't that pretty cool? Hey, we're running out of battery. Let's go.
Yahoo! It's me, Texas. Whoa!
Oh, yeah, so I'm sitting with my friend Oregon. If you can't see, we got our other little buddy, Rhode Island. And our annoying neighbor to the west, Washington. Washington! Oh, yeah, somebody please get rid of him.
Oregon.
Oh! I don't like him. He's always screaming.
He's my neighbor.
He's my neighbor. Wash! Hello, it's me, man.
Oh, yeah, man. Look at that. You're hanging out right up on here. And that's another friend of yours, New Hampshire.
Yeah, that's my neighbor.
Yahoo! I'm back!
How y'all do? Gotta go again! How am I being suspended up here?
I'm not sure there, buddy. But look, we got our another buddy, Michigan.
Hi, it's me, Michigan. Oh. Hey, I pulled you off like a bottle top there, man. Yeah, that was weird. It's Big Tennessee. How y'all doing? Look like we got a ramp here.
Sorry.
Evil Knievel could jump over Minnesota.
Sorry for squishing you, New Hampshire.
Sorry for squishing New Hampshire. It's okay. Hey, it's me, South Dakota. How y'all doing?
Jace was born.
Uh-oh. Gotta go.
Jace was born in South Dakota.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you were born in South Dakota, weren't you?
Yeah.
It's me, Utah. Hey, Tennessee, I'm wearing you like a hat.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, isn't it?
Hey, look like an engine.
Look like an engine, yes. Hey, me, Louisiana. Guess what? We got Hurricane Barry going on right now. I'm going to make no gumbo today. We got like 10 to 20 inches of rain. Everybody be nice and pray for us.
All right, we can do that for you.
It was me, Florida. About time I don't have no hurricanes. I haven't had a hurricane for a few years.
Looks like you got hit by a Barry or something. A little bit.
Yeah, you got it.
You got hit by Barry a little bit.
Florida did?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a little bit of rain. It's not that much.
By Hurricane Barry.
But at that time, it was Tropical Storm Barry. Yeah. Hey, it's me, Kansas.
Oh, all right. So, I'm not sure what's going on with Utah, but we should probably wrap it up.
He got stabbed.
Yeah, she got stabbed. And it's me, Illinois again. Is that Indiana? It's Illinois, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in Illinois.
All right, you don't even know who you are. It's time to go. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to tell your friends and family, subscribe, and watch our videos. If they want to learn some cool stuff, they can. And you might even see an explosion or two. Check out what Michigan's doing. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, we're going to go because Michigan's pushing us off. Thanks, everybody. All right. Goodbye.
That was so funny. Goodbye, everybody.
Washington, come on!